Hi, welcome to Quantitative Ecology course. So for this lecture, for this course, I will give some brief idea on what is quantitative ecology or what is QE and why is it important in ecology. So I hope before we start, I hope you guys have no problem to define or explain what is ecology. Uh, Basically, ecology is the study, or we study in ecology the relationship between the living organisms and their environments. For instance, what the problems that we an ecologist could handle, such as the like in our problem in global warming, how we as a human affects the atmosphere that contribute to global warming. So when we look at the population in the wild, population of wolves, how they affected by the changes in rabbits population, for instance, or in the coral reef, how the clownfish and anemone benefit each other. So this is something that we study in quantitative can in ecology. So therefore, what is quantitative ecology? So when we talk about quantitative ecology, we try to look at uh, the study of literally when ecology become quantitative. So what means by that is the study of using the measurement of counts. Anything when we study in about ecology, when we do the measurement and do the counts, basically this is part of, or probably this is a quantitative ecology. But in general, what we call as quantitative ecology is when we study about the modeling, how to make a model. So uh, in literal or in more specific, ecology is basically a quantitative science. So with the number of population, okay, because of the numbers of population can change from time to time due to several factors. Therefore, to understand how this changing behavior works, we need to observe the data. We need to analyze the interaction and finally formulated descriptive or mathematical model. So this is what we call as quantitative ecology. So in a nutshell, these are the steps to determine the complexity of the study, analysis and solution of ecological problems, or what we call as quantitative ecology. So basically we want to look at, first we need to understand the preliminary study and description of the problem. Then we need to setting up the hypothesis based on the descriptive studies and on knowledge of the general ecological interaction. And then after that we need to create of a sampling program. So we need to collect the data, okay, based on going to the field, do the some lab work just to get the data. And after we get the data, we need to analyze it, testing it, and try to do it in a multitude of different population parameters. So after that, then we do the modeling. When we do the modeling means that we create what kind of equation that we want to use, what kind of an equation that we can uh, prove our hypothesis. And after we create the model, we need to test it and then use the model to make a prediction. However, in this course, don't worry, we are not trying to develop any model in quantitative ecology, but I try my best to give you an overview understanding on what quantitative ecology is.